Hello, future biologists. Welcome to a fascinating journey into the microscopic world. Today, we are exploring the useful role of bacteria in industry, a crucial part of your ICSE Class 9 biology curriculum. We'll uncover how these tiny organisms, often associated with disease, are actually industrial powerhouses, helping us make everything from food to medicine. We'll start with the basics at the easy level, then dive deeper into their diverse applications, explore complex engineering principles, and finally, look at their profound impact and future potential. Get ready to discover the invisible giants of industry. Let's begin our exploration at the easy level. Have you ever wondered how some of your favorite foods are made? Tiny helpers are at work. First, let's understand what bacteria are. They are microscopic, single-celled organisms, so small you can't see them without a microscope. They are found almost everywhere on Earth, in soil, water, air, and even inside your body. While some bacteria can cause diseases, it's important to remember that many are harmless, and a significant number are incredibly beneficial. They are invisible workers with huge impacts, playing crucial roles in both nature and various industries, transforming raw materials into useful products. Now, let's look at how bacteria are part of our daily lives. In food production, bacteria like Lactobacillus are essential for making curd, yogurt, and cheese. They ferment the sugar in milk, giving these products their tangy taste and thick texture. Another example is Acetobacter*, which converts alcohol into acetic acid, the main component of vinegar. In medicine, some bacteria naturally produce antibiotics, substances that kill or stop the growth of other harmful bacteria. For instance, Streptomyces** bacteria produce the antibiotic streptomycin. Bacteria are truly versatile. Time for some quick questions to check your understanding. 1. Name one food product that is made with the help of bacteria. 2. Which type of bacteria is commonly used to convert milk into curd? And 3. What is an antibiotic, and how are bacteria involved in its production? Take a moment to think about your answers. Ready to dive deeper? At the medium level, we'll explore more complex industrial applications where bacteria truly shine. Bacteria are not just tiny organisms, they are industrial powerhouses. They are microscopic single-celled organisms with incredibly diverse metabolic pathways. This means they can perform a wide range of chemical reactions. Their fast growth rates and ability to produce specific enzymes and chemicals make them invaluable in various industries. Industrial microbiology is the field dedicated to harnessing these natural abilities for large-scale production, efficiently transforming raw materials into a vast array of goods we use every day. Let's look at their roles across different sectors. In the food and beverage industry, Lactobacillus** and Streptococcus** species are vital for dairy products like yogurt and cheese, fermenting lactose into lactic acid. Acetobacter* species are crucial for vinegar production, converting alcohol into acetic acid. In the pharmaceutical industry, bacteria produce many life-saving antibiotics, such as streptomycin, from Streptomyces** bacteria. Genetically engineered E. coli* bacteria also produce human insulin, a revolutionary treatment for diabetes, enabling modern medical advancements. Beyond food and pharmaceuticals, bacteria perform many other industrial wonders. They are a major source of industrial enzymes like amylases, proteases, and cellulases, which are used in detergents, food processing, and textile industries. Some bacteria can also produce biofuels like ethanol or hydrogen from organic waste, offering sustainable solutions for our energy needs. Furthermore, certain bacteria are used in bioremediation, helping to clean up environmental pollutants like oil spills and pesticides, transforming them into harmless substances and tackling environmental challenges. Now, Let's test your knowledge with 5 medium-level questions. 1. Explain the role of *Lactobacillus* in dairy product manufacturing. 2. How are bacteria involved in the production of vinegar? 3. Give 2 examples of antibiotics produced by bacteria. 4. Describe one pharmaceutical application of genetically engineered bacteria. And 5. What is bioremediation and how do bacteria contribute to it? Pause here to formulate your answers. Let's elevate our understanding. At the hard level, we'll delve into the sophisticated techniques and specific bacterial species driving industrial processes. Industrial bacterial processes involve optimizing bacterial fermentation. This is a controlled biotechnological process where bacteria are cultivated in specialized vessels called bioreactors. To maximize bacterial growth and product yield, parameters like temperature, pH, aeration, and nutrient supply are meticulously controlled. Various fermentation methods, such as batch, fed batch, and continuous, are chosen based on the product and efficiency needs. Maintaining sterile conditions is absolutely paramount to prevent contamination, which can drastically reduce production from the lab to industrial scale. Specific bacterial species play unique and vital roles. For yogurt, *Lactobacillus bulgaricus*, and *Streptococcus thermophilus* work synergistically to ferment lactose. Propionibacterium freudenreichi* is responsible for the characteristic holes and nutty flavor in Swiss cheese due to its production of propionic acid and carbon dioxide. *Bacillus thuringiensis*, or Bt, produces insecticidal toxins, making it a valuable biological pesticide. Acetobacter aceti*, efficiently converts ethanol to acetic acid for vinegar. And recombinant *E. coli* is a biotechnological workhorse producing human insulin, growth hormone, and various enzymes specialized for specific industrial tasks. Bacteria are also major sources of industrial enzymes, which act as highly specific biocatalysts. For example, amylases, often from *Bacillus* species, are used in starch processing for syrups and in detergents. Proteases, also from *Bacillus*, are used in detergents for stain removal and for meat tenderization. Lipases, from *Pseudomonas*, are used in detergents and fat modification. In bioremediation, bacteria utilize diverse metabolic pathways to degrade pollutants. This includes aerobic degradation of hydrocarbons in oil spills, anaerobic degradation in wastewater, and biosorption of heavy metals, offering sustainable solutions for industrial and environmental challenges. Now, let's tackle 7 challenging questions. 1. Compare and contrast batch and continuous fermentation techniques used with bacteria. 2. Explain how Propionibacterium freudenreichi* contributes to the unique characteristics of Swiss cheese. 3. Discuss the significance of *Bacillus thuringiensis* in sustainable agriculture. 4. Describe the role of bacterial enzymes into different industrial applications. 5. Elaborate on 2 distinct mechanisms by which bacteria perform bioremediation. 6. How has recombinant *E. coli* revolutionized the pharmaceutical industry? And 7. What are the main challenges in industrial microbiology using bacteria, and what are future prospects? Take your time to construct detailed answers. Prepare for the deepest dive. At the hardest level, we'll explore the complex science, engineering, and broad impact of bacteria in industry, pushing the boundaries of your knowledge. The evolution of industrial microbiology is a fascinating story. Early applications like bread and alcohol fermentation were empirical until Louis Pasteur's work in the mid-19th century scientifically linked microorganisms to these processes, laying the foundation for aseptic techniques. World wars spurred industrial-scale production of vital compounds like acetone and later penicillin. Post-World War II, the rise of molecular biology and genetic engineering truly transformed bacteria into cell factories, enabling the targeted design and high-value production of complex molecules, moving from accidental discovery to precise, engineered solutions. Industrial bacterial processes rely heavily on sophisticated engineering principles. Bioreactors, such as stirred tank or airlift types, are meticulously designed to optimize mass transfer of oxygen and nutrients, heat transfer, and mixing for specific bacterial cultures. Precise control systems continuously monitor and regulate parameters like pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen to maintain optimal growth kinetics. Sterilization, often using in situ steam, is critical to prevent contamination. The final stage, downstream processing, involving techniques like centrifugation and chromatography, is essential for separating and purifying the desired product efficiently and to a high purity at an industrial scale. Genetic and metabolic engineering have revolutionized bacterial industrial applications. Recombinant DNA technology allows scientists to insert foreign genes, like the human insulin gene, into bacterial plasmids. These engineered bacteria then express the gene, producing the desired protein. Advanced tools like CRISPR-Cas9 enable precise genome editing to enhance desired metabolic pathways or eliminate undesirable ones. Metabolic engineering involves the rational design and modification of bacterial metabolic networks to overproduce specific compounds by identifying rate-limiting steps or introducing entirely new pathways. Synthetic biology even goes further, designing and constructing new biological systems from scratch, transforming bacteria into highly efficient, custom-made producers of complex molecules. The impact of bacteria extends to diverse and emerging fields. For instance, bacteria like Cupriavidis necator can produce bioplastics called PHAs, offering biodegradable alternatives to petroleum-based plastics. In mining, Acidithiobacillus ferruxidens is used in bioleaching to extract metals like copper and gold from low-grade ores. In wastewater treatment, bacterial consortia in the activated sludge process break down organic matter and remove nutrients. Probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, are consumed for gut health. And engineered bacteria can even act as biosensors, detecting pollutants in the environment. These applications demonstrate bacteria's role in green chemistry, the circular economy, and creating a more sustainable future. Now, let's challenge your understanding with the first 5 hardest questions. 1. Trace the historical development of industrial microbiology, highlighting key scientific breakthroughs and societal demands that shaped its evolution. 2. Explain the critical engineering principles involved in the design and operation of a stirred tank bioreactor for optimal bacterial fermentation. 3. Discuss how recombinant DNA technology and metabolic engineering are employed to optimize bacterial strains for the overproduction of a specific pharmaceutical compound. 4. Elaborate on the mechanism of bioleaching, identifying the key bacterial species involved and its economic significance. And 5. Beyond food and pharmaceuticals, describe the distinct emerging industrial applications of bacteria. Take your time to formulate comprehensive answers. Here are the remaining 5 hardest questions. 6. Analyze the role of specific bacterial consortia in the activated sludge process for wastewater treatment, detailing their metabolic contributions. 7. Critically evaluate the ethical and regulatory challenges associated with the widespread use of genetically engineered bacteria in industrial applications. 8. How do bacterial processes contribute to the principles of green chemistry and the circular economy? Provide specific examples. 9. Compare and contrast the production of human insulin using genetically engineered E. coli with its historical methods of extraction from animal pancreases, highlighting the advantages. And 10. Design a hypothetical experiment to engineer E. coli to produce a novel bioplastic, outlining the key genetic modifications and process parameters you would consider. Good luck! And that concludes our deep dive into the useful role of bacteria in industry. From making our food to producing life-saving medicines and cleaning our environment, these microscopic organisms are true unsung heroes. We've journeyed from basic concepts to advanced engineering and ethical considerations. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and inspiring. For more such engaging and in-depth educational content, make sure to visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and to continue your learning journey with us. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Thank you for joining us today.